Bro, I look rough. Alright, what is up, boys? Welcome back to another video. And on this video, it is gonna be how do I say it? A market recap. Did not trade today. It's Wednesday. I don't trade on Wednesdays, boys. Mm, bro, what is this lighting, bro? There we go. Alright. So it's gonna be a market recap, boys, on basically today's day, which is Wednesday. I did not trade because I do not trade Wednesdays. Typically, Wednesdays for me are very garbage, so I do not like to trade Wednesdays. And by this price action, I mean, I'm totally right. On NQ, we just dumped, right? So let's go ahead and get started on each pair. Um, I'm just gonna be going over gold and ES and US30, right? So let's go ahead and get started on NQ. I mean gold on gold. All right. So on the 4 hour, right? As you guys can see, we are bearish, right? During Asia session, London session did tend to push up, or not London session, like pre-market of New York, we did have some bullish momentum to the upside, right? But overall, we are bearish, right? We did create break of structure to the upside, right here during New York pre-market during 7:30. This was news, right? We did create break of structure to the upside, but we were all overall bearish. Okay, on the 15 minute, we didn't have anything, or we did have right here. We did have a 15-minute demand zone, right? The only thing that I was looking at this was that the 200 was slapped in the middle, which is not good because it tends to consolidate, right? But did holy stutter, but did bro, this candle did end up tapping the zone. Holy stutter, bro. Oh my gosh. But this candle did end up tapping the zone at 10:20, right? So if you would have entered this trade off of a breakout candle, you would have ended up not winning the trade for a one-to-one RR. But if you would have ended up joining off of rejection, then yeah, maybe you could have ended up catching the one-to-one RR right here. But either way, this setup was very mid just because we had some strong bearish candles to the downside. Overall, we are bearish, but during New York session, we were bullish. Okay, so this demand zone was very weak just because we did have some bearish momentum come down to the downside, right? The only trade that I could see play out right here on gold is that we had some support right here, right? We had some support right here, and then we had closed in between the zone. As you guys can see, none of these candles closed inside the zone until this one at 10:05. You could have entered this off of a breakout candle for a 1 or 2 RR, and this was typically the trade that I did like. Overall, just because yesterday it did the same thing, right? Didn't have break any support until 10:45, and you could have taken this trade like this, and you could have caught a 1 or 3 RR, right? You could have caught a 1 or 3 RR. So basically, I did like this trade. I've been doing some back testing. Every time it does this, it tends to reverse, right? It once it breaks the support right here. Same thing over here on today's trade, right? It did close in between the zone, and it had a strong momentum candle to the downside. So you could have taken this for a breakout trade for a 1 or 2 RR, right? But me, I did not take this trade because, like I said, bro, I do not trade Wednesdays. Okay, I don't like trading Wednesdays. Wednesdays I typically lose. Like ever since I started trading, bro, I literally have been journaling what day I lose the most. When I was trading forex, when I was doing fundeds, bro, I was losing fucking every single Wednesday. Okay, I was losing every single Wednesday. All right, now let's go to NQ. All right, so NQ overall, right? We're like consolidating, but like let's go to the lower time frames, like on the 1 hour, or right, let's see right here, right? So right here in this area, we are bullish, right? But during London session, we did create some break of structure to the downside, right? And then as well as during New York, I think news did push, no, that was not news. But during market open, we did tend to push down very low. I didn't see any trades that I could have taken off of NQ, but we were just very bearish today, bro. Like we were very bearish today. But yeah. And then ES. Okay, now let's go to ES futures. All right, so ES futures, um, right here on the 4 hour, we are bullish, right? During New York, we were bullish. During London, Asia, we were bullish. Okay, so ES was bullish, right? So this pair, I think this was the best trade that I seen today. Was this 13 EMA breakout to the upside, catching a 1-to-1 RR or a 1.5, right? But me, typically, I would have targeted this high, which never ended up tapping, which I would have probably got stopped out break even. But either way, this was a good trade overall. Reason being why was because, right, as you guys can see, overall we are bullish on the higher time frames, right? The 200 EMA is right here, right? We came down, tapped into this 50 SMA, and then we closed above the 13 EMA, and we targeted a good trade, right? So this was overall a good trade, and then after that happened, we immediately dumped. Basically, did we take out this high? No, we didn't. Look at that. But yeah, overall it did ended up winning, which was a very good trade. Um, but yeah, like I said, overall on the higher time frames we are bullish on the 30 minute. Everything is basically just bullish, right? Right here we got a 13 EMA breakout. It was a clean candle. It was a good candle. But yeah, this overall was a good trade. Like I said, bro, it rejected the 50 and then closed above the 13. Very good trade. Okay, now US 30, bro. US 30 this whole week has not been doing good at all. Like literally at all, bro. Like US 30 has not been looking good. Like yesterday it literally looked like this. Today it looks like this. Like overall, nothing was good about this pair today, right? So this trade was complete just garbage, bro. Just this pair was just garbage. Nothing for you to take. Um, we did have a breakout right here at 10 9 10, but either way, this is not really a good breakout trade because you want to see 2 to 3 candles close below the line and then push back up again. This which did not happen. We only had one candle close below and then we had to push up. But either way, this is just garbage. Garbage. Like I would not take this at all. I wouldn't even look at this pair if it intends to act like this, bro. But yeah, overall, that was basically my market recap. Those are the trades that I did like that I saw today, but obviously I don't trade Wednesday, so I'm obviously not gonna take them. Tomorrow I will be trading. On Thursday I will be trading on Friday. But yeah, boys, I'm still only placed three trades, but yesterday I got break even. But yeah, boys, like bro, I'm only taking A plus setups. I'm really being patient this month. I really want to, have a better outcome than last month. But yeah, boys, how many days we have left for the month to end? We have one, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, no, 9, 10 trading days left, bro. 10 trading days left. Oh my goodness. 10 trading days left, boys. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video, boys. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. I'm going to be posting every single day. I'm gonna be literally posting because I've been realizing, like, bro, why should I not post? Like why should I not? Wait, let me move the camera. I'm gonna move the camera. Hold up. Recording stream. Scene editor. Woo. Yes, sir. Wait, I look hella laggy, bro. I'm gonna get a new camera, bro. Either way, I'm gonna just leave it like this. But either way, um, What was I saying? So basically, I am not going to be trade or what was I saying, bro? I'm gonna be posting every single day. Reason being why I was not posting like every single day was because I had no trade days or I would be break even. So there was no point of me doing a recap on those trades. But either way, I'm gonna be posting when I get break even or when I don't even trade at all, just to see my my analysis, my market recaps, and so on and so forth. But I know I've been only showing you guys my winners and losers, but now I'm just gonna show you guys every single day. I'm gonna be just recording videos every single day. I am gonna be getting a camera, like a camera, so I can just talk to you guys through there, not through this laggy PC. I am getting a new PC, by the way. I've been saying that for literally quite some time, but um, I am working on that. But yeah, boys, that's gonna be it for this video. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Make sure you guys join the Discord. It is completely free, and as well as make sure you use my alpha code futures my alpha futures code down below. Bro, I've been studying all day today. Damn, bro. Damn, bro. I look hella musty. Look at these games though. See you guys on the next one.